This customer asked if I can replace the generator belt on this 2018 Kia Niro. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done and what tools you need. So what we gotta do here is insert this pin. Okay, so that will take that tension off this. Basically, the pulley is spinning free, so we don't have no noise there. Next, I gotta remove this bottle right here so I can get access to it. Let me just use this bungee cable to see if I can prop the reservoir up so it doesn't get in the way. Alright, so that's supposed to be it right there, and now we can continue. Alright, so what we gotta do is we have a pin that we need to put in place, right? So we're gonna use the special tool on the spring. Basically the clamp in the back is to compress the spring so we can, remove the belt because it's a very high tension belt adjuster kind of setup. Alright, I was able to do this in the past without the tool and it was very difficult, right? So once it's properly on the spring adjustment part, you can just use the ratchet and just adjust a little bit. So I'm just going to speed through this because you don't need to see me using a ratchet.
Whole life been right about right now. Whole lot chit chat, can't do that, settle down, pipe down. On the kitchen floor in the church sauce, young Mike moonwalk. Always been a star in the sky, you did not get tuned out. Hey, yeah, I'm flashing, yeah, yeah. Not ratchets, hey, yeah. Quick flipping, yeah, yeah. Big mattress, hey, yeah. Don't ask me, hey, yeah. We taxing, hey, yeah. New address, hey, yeah. Can't move backwards. Hold on, yeah, you know me.
So with the special tool on the tensioner, if you need to compress it some more, you just gotta use a wrench or let's say a ratchet to just add some more tension so you can slip the belt off. And what I did as well, I raised the vehicle up so I could take the wheel off and the shield, the mud guard thing, so I could get access to the pulley. All right, when it's putting on the belt, you gotta ensure that everything is lined up properly before you release the tension off this tensioner and also move the pin. Okay, so with that now, you see how freely the belt is. I can take it off and take it right off and then swap it over with the new belt. Once the belt is in line with all the pulleys, you just remove the compression off this tensioner using the wrench or the ratchet, and you can remove the pin as well in front on the next tensioner, put the reservoir back and put the wheel on, and everything's supposed to be good. Start the vehicle up, make sure all is well before you send the customer along their way, but straight to the point. So this is the process and procedure you take to replace the HSG belt on the Kia Niro. You know how it is. Until next time, peace.